Exclusive.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this affordable kinky drawstring ponytail with just one pack of expression kinky afro hair. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please join the family by clicking that big red subscribe button down below this video and get connected, guys. So what you're going to need is a weaving cap, expression kinky, crochet pin, and of course the elastic band for the drawstring ponytail. So I'm going to be crocheting the hair just in the middle part of the weaving cap. Since it's a ponytail, using a small portion of kinky hair, insert the crochet hook under your weaving cap. Let it come out from the other side, then put your braid into the hook, close the latch, and then pull it from the other side and knot it tightly. You can decide to knot it twice, but once can do the trick. I'll say it again. Insert your crochet. When you're done, you tie the ends of the elastic band, and there you have your drawstring ponytail. So I had already laid down my hair the previous day, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can wear your drawstring afro kinky ponytail. Oh my god, can you drag that laid hair? Who said kinky hair can't lay well? And my makeup artist won't let me end my video in peace. Such a perfectionist she is. And that's the drawstring ponytail. Yes, I'm going to show you guys how to wear it. You just add it to the ponytail you have made. Make sure you have your bobby pin with you. You draw the elastic close, wrap it around the ponytail, and secure it with a bobby pin. If it's not secured enough, you can take a little piece of the hair and wrap it all around the hair to hold it tighter. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it, share it, share it with all you all so much from the bottom of my heart. See you all next time in my video. Mwah, mwah.